All right, I am out here in Scott County, Iowa at a small county park lake. A place I did a lot of fishing last year. This is the first fishing trip with the kayak. First fishing trip for 2022, that is. And I'm taking out what I have affectionately called the SS Crappie. It is a 9-foot Vibe Skipjack 90. I'm going to be fishing a couple of ultralight poles today. My dad's 40-year-old ugly stick and a much newer Shields ultralight pole. Both poles have Fluger ultralight reels on them. The Shields has a President XT, and my dad's old ugly stick has a lesser expensive model. I'm going to be fishing slip bobbers on both poles, at least to start. One I will throw out a worm, the other I will throw out a jig. And I am on a bit of a mission today, yes, to catch fish, but with a purpose. I was talking to some of the guys at church yesterday after church and let them know I was going fishing, and one of them said, hey, if you catch any bluegill or crappie, we'll take them. And so this young family, 4 growing young boys and a 5th baby on the way, family of 6.5, 7 actually, 1 yet to arrive. I'm hoping to catch enough fish, put enough fish in the bucket to provide a nice meal for them, to bless them in that way. So temperatures right now are in the mid-50s, a little bit of a wind today. I forgot my anchor. I bought an anchor at the end of last year for my kayak, and I left it at home. So I might get pushed around a little bit. Water temperatures are probably still in the 40s, I'm guessing. And I don't have boots. All I have are some water shoes. And so I might scare some fish with a bit of a primeval scream as I dip my toe in the water. But hopefully that pain will quickly go away. Overcast skies, at least at the moment. Looks like there might be some clearing. Temperatures are going to get up into the 60s, thereabouts. I only have a few hours this morning before other obligations take over. So I'm hoping to catch a bunch of bluegill, maybe some crappie today. So with that, let's go fishing. There we go. There we go. All right, so I'm heading to the opposite side of the lake here. Again, it's a little lake, so this is just a short jaunt. Going over to here where some structure is. Gonna see if the bluegill are in a little close. If I don't get anything over here, then I'll head out towards the middle of the lake and try that. This lake was the last one to thaw of all the lakes here in the county. And the reason for that is this lake is pretty well protected by trees and hills. And so that caused it to thaw, take a little longer to thaw. So, all right. So I'm over here now. I'm gonna get a worm on the line here, cast out among this structure here, see what we could do. All right, so I'm going to be using number 6 Eagle Claw Aberdeen thin wire hook, and using just a small piece of night crawler. And I've got my slip bobber set up about 2 feet or so underneath the bobber. So let's see what happens. Got him. All right. Fish number 1. What are you? What are you? Nice bluegill. All right. First one's a keeper. Now, I forgot to fill my bucket with water, so I got to do that first. But look at this one. Look at that one. That's a nice one. All right. Woohoo! There goes. Got him. I'm gonna drag a little bit here. Oh, that feels like another good one, maybe. Yeah, another keeper. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, this is going to be a good day. I could tell this is going to be a good day. Look at that. Nice one. In the bucket. There it goes. Come on. Got him. There we go. There we go. Yep, another keeper. Yeah, they're good. They're good size. Nice one. In the bucket. Ooh. Got him. Yeah, he feels like a small one. Yeah, another little one. Well, actually, it's got some weight to him. Yeah, we'll keep that one. We'll keep that one. It's got some weight to it. Nice one. Come on, stay on there. Yeah, you feel like a good one too. Feel like another keeper. Yeah, you do. Come on, I don't see you. There you are, there you are. There we go. Oh yes, another keeper. I think that makes it an even 10. That's a little on the smaller size, but we're keeping that bad boy. There we go, in the bucket. There we go, come on. Got him. Ooh. Oh yeah, you feel good. You're actually pulling my boat around a little bit here. Yeah, come on, come on. Oh yeah, you're fighting good. Oh yeah. Yes, sirree. Oh yes. Look at that one. Oh, what a beauty. All right, they're piled up. Whoa, 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 ow, 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 ow. Oh, 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 oh. Nice save there. Nice save. Oh, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. Oh. All right, well, that's it for today. Got to head back. Caught at least a dozen bluegill, and I think I put 10 keepers in the bucket today. So that's a good day of fishing. Good day of fishing. They were all, I caught all of them around structure, and it was interesting. I would catch one or two near a particular structure, and then nothing. I move on to the next one, catch one or two, and then nothing. And then I'd come back to where I had caught a couple before. And then I'd catch a couple more, and then nothing. And that's the way it was all morning. So, but a good day of fishing. Like I always say, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day doing just about anything else. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope my friends, the family in my church that are going to get all of these fish, I hope they enjoy dinner. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if you like the video, would you do me a favor, give it a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed already, would you please do that? I'd appreciate it. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time for Iowa and fishing.